I go to work, but I beat this shit up. It's okay though, 'cause I leave it none. And I got some dragonflies I put in. I don't think I'm gonna sleep, no, 'cause I'm up, bro. And got a couple of hills that you rolling, so I can chill. I be watching movie and just fucking chill. I be smoking till I fall asleep so late that I probably get out only an hour of sleep. That's enough, but it's alright. Cause I've been doing this all day week, 6 days, not this week, 5 days for the boys. I ain't killing myself. Got this week, dragonfly out.